Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Big up the diaspora them. People of Canada, London, New York. Yo, what's up Jamaica? It's your street reporter Echo, straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen up, it's your street report, July 8, 2025. Loose Echo tongue loud, clean and straight from the heart of Jamaica to the ears of the world. Street news for the people, by the people. Both powered by information from the Jamaica Gleaner, Jamaica Observer, Loop Jamaica, and Street Echo correspondents. Wagwan Jamaican diaspora worldwide. It's Tuesday, July 8, 2025, and this is your Echo Street Report, where we tell it raw, tell it real, and keep it clean. I'm your street correspondent, bringing you 5 minutes of power, from crime and culture to resilience and youth fire. According to Jamaica Observer and Loop News, Kingston felt the rattle of gunfire again last night in Waterhouse and Rowlinton Town. One man hospitalized, and residents say tensions remain high. Over in St. Catherine, the police scored a big win. 3 men captured after a weekend robbery spree in Olaba, stolen allotments and cash recovered. Say, Echo say, police pressuring the blocks, but the system need more than force. We need reform, support and respect. Jamaica Gleaner reports that traffic was locked off for hours on the North Coast Highway near Falmouth after a collision involving a motorbike and 2 cars. Witnesses say reckless overtaking played a role. And over in Spanish Town, the police are back with the radar guns drivers. Ease off the gas. You're speeding like you're on a mission, but end up in hospital or worse. Quick tip, buckle up, slow down, and stop behaving like the road name after you. The buzz nationwide is still around 12-year-old Charles. Cresty out of Savannah La Primary with a PEP score of 3A 2.7 and a grade 6 average of 27.6 and 2 out of 280. She not only copped every prize at her school's award ceremony, but she built the school's website, led a recycling program, and served as head girl and valedictorian. She's now on her way to morning school, and several talk shows and youth empowerment groups are requesting her appearance. Echo say, protect this gem, nurture this talent. She is not just the future, she is the now. Big infrastructure rollout happening. Jamaica Gleaner and Loop Jamaica confirmed, and 500 million in road work start this week in Clarendon and St. Mary. Local contractors hired and job creation expected. Also announced 2 youth tech centers, one in Montego Bay, Ibayan in Maypen, offering free training in coding, digital marketing and robotics. If you're youth and you're not learning something this summer, you're wasting gold. Step up and step in. Clean vibes forecasted for tonight at Emancipation Park, where a free reggae and roots concert celebrates peace through culture. Lineup includes Taurus Riley Etana and a rumored appearance by Protege. Word on the street, a collab between Chronics and Buju Banton may drop on YouTube at midnight. Title not yet released, but insiders say it's a freedom anthem. Winko say, dance with purpose, vibe with vision. Let the culture guide us, not divide us. Yeah. Jamaica, we hot, and me not just talking about the weather. Yes, the crime still serious. Yes, the road them still rough, but we they are still surviving, rising, striving. From young leaders like Chelsea to police, doing good work to communities, investing in youth and upliftment. This is a time of testing, but also testimony. Echo said this, don't lose faith in the streets. Just walk with wisdom, move with sense and shine your light where darkness try come in. Stay aware, stay alive, stay inspired. This is the Echo Street Report for July 8, 2025. Big up Jamaica every time. DJ Tasprizi Jamaica, Observer.com, Jamaica Gleaner.com, and LoopNews.com. Boom, Echo out. Back, like, share, subscribe. This is Echo News Jamaica, where the street talk mixed with real talk.
Hard tune in, log in, every day with a yacht. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. Picture news Jamaica, we run the media. Tune in, log in, every day with a yacht. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. Picture news Jamaica, we run the media. Go from London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibe, big sound system. Every day you feel like stay locked on the rhythm. The real Each one knows Jamaica. The real source for know. Top